Hello, this is a report based on research and it is for the course of Research and Report Writing, Rasmussen College, Spring 2011. Today I'll be providing you the results of study for research, what makes good research, what makes poor research, and how are the best ways to approach this. This is not just the culmination of my studies, but the studies of myself, Yasmin, Candace, and Jackie. So, one of the things we want to know is research writing. Research writing is not just the mere information collection. What it is that we're looking for facts that, and not just conclusions. So, research is not just the conveyance of information or transporting it from one location to another. What we're doing is we're reporting based on very specific research guidelines. We're formulating information based on what we're interested in, a particular topic. So this research information is it's a very focused approach. We're going to credible sources that we know that we can collect valid information that can be proven through other resources, not just Google or Wikipedia. So we're looking for very specific, usually .edu or org type of organizations or government resources for our research. Another thing is that research is many times used as a catchword for sales and marketing. In our in our particular scope of the meaning of the word, research conveys, it should have some gravitas. What we're doing is we're researching something with very detailed, oriented results, trying to answer questions that are posed in academia so we can have a very valid result to conclude our hypothesis that is involved with this. Next. So, what you might ask is, what is research? Well, research is a systematic process of collecting, analyzing, interpreting information in order to better understand a phenomenon that we're interested in. So that's kind of paraphrasing, but effectively that's what we're looking for when we are doing research. So as part of our studies, we asked ourselves, what does research mean to me? What does it mean to you? Well, as our group kind of sat together and discussed this, we came up with these words. It's research is a lengthy process. It's not something you go into expecting to have it done in 5 minutes or 2 minutes. This is something where it's going to be taking time. You're looking for details. It's very focused, specific. So what we want is we want to get into the very fine details of a particular topic. Part of this is it's also very intensive, which means that we are going to be spending a lot of time, a lot of our own physical and mental resources in order to get our best results, best information finding through this process. It's an accumulative process too. You might think that you're going to start with a small amount of data, but by the time you're done, you've accumulated many facts that have to be then correlated, collaborated together so that they back up one another, and in this process, the research will be educational. We're all going to learn. Everyone's going to come out of it more intelligent on the topic than what they had entered into it. So as a part of the process of doing research is we've identified several different ways you do this. One of these is it's very systematic. You're going to look at, one, you pose a question. There's a problem or a situation that you're looking at. Maybe there's a reason why interest rates are high, or maybe somebody is not gaining a benefit that they're due. There's a problem maybe in a process or a technology. So then what you do is you articulate what's the goal of your research. You know the problem, now you're looking for a goal. Is it to fix a problem, or is it to identify how the problem began in the first place? Next, you're going to want to outline and plan this research so that you're staying focused on the main goal of your question that you pose at the beginning. As you identify these, you come up with a hypothesis, maybe as to why this problem or question has to be posed in the first place. And then through this, you develop your hypothesis and create a conclusion using supporting data that you've gleaned from your research in order to come to a conclusion that you can then report to your peers. Thank you.